the early summer light.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and once again, my name is Dabra Johnson. I'm a self-taught artist based in Nigeria, and I go by the name Nod. On this YouTube channel, I share my art journey. I try out new styles, and I just try to figure out what it means to be an artist in this day and age. And in this video, I will be sharing with you a realistic week in my life as an artist, and also working on some upgrade in my room. A little backstory though: I graduated from architecture school in 2024, and I moved to a new city last year to start my life all over. And one of my major goals is setting up my space in a way that it helps to build my creativity and also boost my productivity. I don't know if this is a real thing, but I feel like an artist space says a little bit more about the artist than you would assume, and that's why building my space to a very specific niche taste is of highest priority to me. I've come a long way from where I started, but I still feel like there's a lot more to improve on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your Captain Mark speaking. Welcome aboard NCT Air, bound for Colombia.
So today is day 5, and at this point I haven't picked up a pencil to draw for a while now. I've been busy working on upgrading my room and making things comfortable and motivating for me, so I can be very productive with drawing and making content. Picking a reference to draw can be stressful and tricky at times, so instead I have themes for what I'm drawing, and the schedule page basically depicts that. I get my pictures from Pinterest and then I put all of them together on freeform to make it easy for me to access and make a decision on what I want to draw. And the good thing is that I can use it on my phone, iPad, or even my laptop, so it's very, very easy and comfortable to access, and it helps me in, like, knowing what to draw easily rather than just scrolling on Pinterest for like hours. Yeah, I think that's a really good thing, that helps a lot. And sometimes it's really hard to find time to draw, so the little time I'm free and I have for myself to binge watch a series or some movies on my playlist, I just use the opportunity to draw as well. So even when I'm relaxing and having fun, I'm still being productive. For me, I prefer sketchbook without spirals. I can draw on both sides on the pages, and it gives the idea of continuity, and just like the whole pages look like a single page, and it tells the story. It tells your story better, and it just makes the page looks more fun and interesting for me. So that's why I'll pick like a normal sketchbook over a spiral sketchbook. While I still have a spiral sketchbook, I just feel like it serves different purposes, and I like this sketchbook. So that's basically what I'm saying. Right.